Civil Service Head Joseph Kinyua, who was the Treasury Permanent Secretary at the time the Anglo leasing scandal came to light today, told the court that he was unaware that the contract had the valid legal opinion of the AG. Now, Kinyua and former Attorney General Amos Wako were summoned in April to testify in the suit where former senior government officials and businessmen are facing charges related to the multi-billion-shilling security tenders that the state has termed irregular. Testifying before the trial magistrate Felix Kombo Kinyua concurred the legal opinion is given by the AG, then Amos Wako, but that he was unaware of the contract that had satisfied all legal requirements in Kenya. Kinyua, now the head of public service, said a lead up to events forced him to advise for cancellation of the contract for fear it may expose the government to potential suits. He said he wrote to the Attorney General to cancel the contract formally, but has never received feedback regarding his letters since.